planetary system whose center is the sun, bound by gravity, a force whose pull has won. Along the Orion arm, spiraling away, spin inside our galaxy, called the Milky Way. A gigantic sphere of plasma is what makes up our sun, providing all the energy for our solar system to run. It has the largest magnetic field, both an inner and outer one, distributed by solar winds as charged gases from the sun. The smallest planet, Mercury, is closest to the sun, as it has literal axial tilt rather than forces a bit of one. The orbital eccentricity is largest, so it is not round. It is an offset oval with one side more gravity bound. The second planet is the hottest, as far as we can tell. The runaway greenhouse affected Venus has held. The tension of phosphate in the mid-atmosphere might indicate that life exists over here. Earth is our home planet, further up from the sun. It's now the only planet where surface waters run. Cooling nickel and coal continues to radiate. The heat to drive convection, which then moves Earth's. A liquid mass of iron surrounds you in the core. Movement around the core is responsible for the creation of Earth's geomagnetic field. Black solar wind acting as a giant shield. As the winds hit it, it lights up the sky, forming auroras as solar winds pass by. Earth has a natural satellite. It is called the moon, stabilizing influence as a light for life. Next to the red planet, the fourth one from the sun. On what side in the cell is where the red comes from? Mars once had running water, maybe plate tectonics too. Surface dons Olympus, one the largest volcano to accrue. Having a little atmosphere, liquid water can remain upon the Martian surface, and there is never rain.
To reach the outer planets, we must first cross the snow line. Sun is now so distant, it is now the 9. Changes in the planet types are from the Great Divide. The inner planets are low in organic structures, ample carbon was supplied.
Between Mars and Jupiter lies the main asteroid belt. The sun is very weak out here, its warmth cannot be felt. Now to the outer planets, they are the giant ones, made up from the same gases collected to form the sun. Jupiter is the largest, fifth place from the sun. Its mass is more than twice the other planets rolled into one. Centuries old and massive storm is called the Great Red Spot. This anti-cyclonic storm, the key to Jupiter's large side. Saturn, the sixth planet, the second largest one. The icy rings of Saturn sparkle in the sun. Because of Saturn's density, sun forms and rain. All started from a process when lightning sets methane aflame. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. Its sideways rotation is the beginning of the fun. It turns out the atmosphere contains hydrogen sulfide, the smell of rotten eggs, or what comes out your back.